Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the post-market show. And today, market again, it continues is its bullish journey, and things are looking very bullish all around. And today we had the first of every month, that is when the auto sales data is being released, and this time the auto sales data came really good, and Tata Motors coming out with really good figures. It is almost, their auto sales are up almost 50 percentage month on month, so that is why the stock is up almost 6 percentage today. And this has been given in the Telegram channel in the morning, and also we were contemplating a move like this in Tata Motors for the in the last few days. So exactly, things have matched up. So if you're not in the Telegram channel, please join it, because over there we give live market updates. If there is any opportunity, definitely it is posted in there. So with that out of the way, let us look at Nifty and how it performed today. So let us open up the chart of Nifty 50, and this is the chart. You can see the markets opened almost with a slight gap up, but then there was a profit booking in the first 15 minutes, and then it again shot up from there. It touched yesterday's high, but then it moved up, and then once the day's high was broken, there was no turning back. Nifty moved up and up, and ending towards the high of the day, it is up 1.06 percentage. Coming to back Nifty, it is up 1.1 percentage, almost up by 411 points. So again, bank Nifty looking pretty good. Same thing happened. First candle there was a profit booking, but once the day's high was broken, the Bank Nifty continued to move up, and ended around 37,903, up by 1.1 percentage. It was not only the Nifty and Bank Nifty, the broader sectors, Nifty mid caps up by 1.67 percentage, Nifty small caps up by 1.64 percentage. So both of these mid cap and small cap have beaten the large caps today. Coming to sectoral indices, we have only one sector ending in the red, that is the Nifty Pharmaceutical Index, and apart from that, other indexes all ended in the green, and leading the index rise was the Nifty Auto, because I told you auto sales data came today. That comes in the first of every month, and it was fantastic. So hence this kind of an up move. And also Nifty metal sector, I had said that this will be in the forefront for this week, and Nifty metal doing pretty well. Tata Steel is almost flat, but Hindalco and JSW Steel did pretty well. So Nifty metals are up, and apart from that, Nifty Energy is up because Reliance Industries, Nifty heavyweight stock, it is up more than 2 percentage today. So if you look at the stock specific actions, let us look at Reliance first. You can see 2.6 percentage move in Reliance. It broke this important level of 2.5 percentage when one day when the market shot up 4 percentage. So that high was broken today with strength, and the next level is the last swing high of 26.14. If this is broken, we can take again a very bullish view in Reliance Industries. Apart from that, we have other stocks which did pretty well today, that is Hindalco. Again, this was given in the Telegram channel, so hope you are riding this up move. So doing pretty well. Hindalco, we have Tata Motors up by 6.58 percentage. Again, around morning, around 10 a.m. we had updated this in the Telegram channel. Hope you are in this trade. IDFC Bank came out with its results. The results were extremely good, up by 11.7 percentage. And also we had DLF also we had given a trade today. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, the trade was given because the markets were breaking the important level of resistance and with strength, and you can see, although it was falling in the second half, but the last minute, during the last last 15 minutes to last half an hour, you can see huge amount of buying coming in with huge volumes. And so DLF is, again, we are bullish on this stock. So let us see how things go in the coming days. If you are bearish on any stock, that could be Sun Pharma. If you feel that the markets will go down, definitely you can look to short Sun Pharma, because the pharmaceutical index is not doing pretty well, and in case there is a negative move, this is the sector which should fall first. So definitely that is there. Apart from that, HDFC Bank, we had given a target of around 1500, so it is up 0.83 percentage. So it is well on its way towards the target. So let us see how things go. Today Zomato, after 3 days of good up move, again down 1.07 percentage. And interestingly, Hindustan Unilever fell 1.68 percentage, and we know that ITC has already come out with its results today after market hours. The net profit is up by almost 38%. So we have to see how the stock reacts tomorrow morning. So that has to be seen. and Hindustan Unilever did not doing pretty well today. Coming to the index movers, we see Reliance, M&M, Kotak Bank, Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel. These are the top gainers of the day. Top losers include Hindustan Unilever, Sun Pharma. So these are the top losers for Nifty today. But apart from these, most of the stocks, most of the sectors ended in the green. Very interestingly, FIIs have again turned net buyers. This time they bought a huge amount of 2,320 crores. So good to see FII is buying in this much huge quantity, and they can make the markets move even higher and higher. Coming to DII activities, we have 822 crores selling from DII. So it is fine because DIIs have been supporting the markets all along. It is fine if they are selling part by part. So it is absolutely fine for the markets. Now coming to the global markets, and let us see where things are headed globally. And let's start with the German index. So German index is down 0.03%. So nothing significant happening in the German markets, ending flat. French markets are slightly down 0.18%. UK markets are down 0.62%. But let us look at Nasdaq and see how the things are doing over there. So Nasdaq is right now, it is Nasdaq is 0.3% down is what we are seeing. S&P 500 0.48% down, Dow Jones down by 0.2%. So we are seeing all the three indices had opened with a gap down, then it recovered, but then it is falling and trying to take support around the day's low. So profit booking setting in, and that is again a normal affair in the US markets because the markets are rallied almost in a one-way fashion, and this cannot continue for many days. So it is fine that profit booking are setting in because that shows healthy moves in the market. India VIX, despite the market moving up, India VIX is up today by almost 5.6%. Now it is at 17.4. US VIX today is up by 8.44% because you are seeing two-way movements in the US market, and US VIX is at 23.12. Coming to crude oil prices, we are seeing very interesting developments. Crude oil prices below 93 levels, and a closing below this level, we have discussed multiple times that it can bring the crude oil prices even lower, sub 90 levels, once it closes below $95 to $94. So let us hope that happens very soon. Apart from that, dollar index looking pretty well. 105 is where it is. So dollar index coming down steadily, good for the equity markets. And USD INR doing fantastic. Indian rupee is gaining strength every passing day. Each passing day it is gaining. Now it is at 78.94. You can imagine last just a few days back it was at 80. It was touching 80, but now it is down almost 1 rupee 20 paise, something like that. So definitely good thing for the Indian markets. Now looking ahead, what we can expect, Nifty to take resistance at 17,500 levels. So before that, let us look at the OI buildup and see how things are happening over there. So Nifty 4th of August, this is the next Thursday, the coming Thursday, this is the expiry. 1.47 is the put call ratio, which indicates huge bullish momentum in the markets. But today we saw 17,500 adding good amount of call OI, which indicates that the market growth can be capped in the coming at least by this expiry. 17,500 will be tough to break, and we are already seeing the US markets are we are seeing profit booking in the US market. So 17,500 on the upside and 17,200 on the downside is what people are expecting for the coming expiry. Coming to Bank Nifty, things are looking again very interesting. Although the Bank Nifty is very close to 38,000, but 38,000 still continues to hold the highest amount of call OI. Now we have to see how the markets trade. If 38,000 is broken and there's a huge amount of call build up, so that can propel the markets even higher. So we have to wait and watch how the markets react around these levels. On the put side, we have 37,500 and 37,000 as the highest amount of put build-ups. So people are expecting slightly huge resistance up ahead in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So interesting days are ahead. Tuesday and Wednesday will be very interesting to see how the markets are trading. Talking about price action based levels, 17,434 is the first level of resistance you can watch out for. Then 17,500, definitely a very important level. In case that is broken, 17,600 should be acting as a very, very important resistance for this week. On the downside, 17,220, 17,121, and then most important, 17,000. If 17,000 is broken, we will turn bearish for the short term. And coming to Bank Nifty on the upside, definitely 38,000 should act as a strong level of resistance. If that is not crossed and markets fall, 37,700, 37,500, 37,300, and lastly 37,000 should act as a very strong support for Bank Nifty. If 37,000 is broken on the downside, we will turn bearish in Bank Nifty. So this is the levels we can expect. Right now SGX Nifty is trading almost flat because the US markets are down. SGX Nifty, although it made a high of 17,450, now it is coming under profit booking because US markets are falling. It is now at 70,349, same as almost where our markets closed. So very interesting to see what is there for the markets tomorrow. And definitely I told you the ITC will be in focus because ITC results have been announced. So apart from that, let us look at how the US markets end. How much is the profit booking? Is it very severe or things are fine in the US market? We have to wait and watch that. So in tomorrow morning's pre-market show, we will discuss about the US markets and also the Asian markets, how they are trading. So with that, that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.